Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We are hitched up and ready to go. You can see we got the kayaks on there, we got the bikes, we got an extra kayak. The camper is hitched up. We're headed to Myrtle Beach, but our first stop is the Emporium I-95 KOA. I'll bring you back when we get there. We have made it to the Emporium I-95 KOA Holiday after a long drive in the rain. So we're in site 123. You can see this is a pull-through site. It's got a fire ring and a picnic table. A little bit of water because it rained all day. And then over on this side, it's got water, electric, and sewer. Level side to side. I didn't have to put anything down. Of course, there's Phoebe. You see we got it all loaded up. Let's check out the park. Should recognize that rig. That is Mr. Tim's rig. We are on our way to Myrtle Beach. There's Phoebe, Jay, and Marie. Yeah. So this road that we're in are all pull-throughs, which since we're staying one night is very nice. And we see they got horseshoes, got a playground over here, and a volleyball net. They got a bathhouse. Let's check out the bathhouse. And you see they have water wars, balloon battles. And here's a typical restroom. Notice they're individual. You can see they have a nice sink, toilet, shower. Shower's got some nice tile on it. The hook for your towel. Bench to put your shoes on. Another hook for your clothes. And it's air conditioned. And they're individual unit. Gets a thumbs up from me. Here you can see this section over here is wooded. And of course right there is the trash can. And it looks like you got another dump station right there. Of course they have some handicap accessible. And here you can see in the handicap ones they have the railings. And you can go right in there. We got the railings on here. It's nice to see as we get older. Of course, there is tent parking, and those are all tent sites right over there. So that's pretty nice. The campground is patrolled. And I like that it's really well marked so you can find your site. Off this one, Mary. These look like more seasonal campers. You can tell by the larger propane tanks. Nice site back there. These sites are treed, so you have some open sites and you have some treed sites, and we like that. Here's a nice pavilion, and you can see they got like a fireplace over there and a big griddle out there, and it is right next to the pool. Let's check out the pool. And the pool's open at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And you can see they got plenty of seating around there, and they even have seating over there for like the, I guess they have like a cafeteria. Check it out. Here is the registration of the current store. And they have ice and firewood. Here's the laundry room. It's like $250 to wash, and I think $250 to dry. We got some other machines here. Everything looks like it's in good working order. Here's the game room. Some air hockey. Miss Pac-Man's temporarily out of order. Now that one's our favorite game. And then here are some pamphlets on things to do in the area. And then they got some games and stuff you can play and some books to read while you're here. Here you see this is an assistive device to help people get into the pool who need additional support. And then here you have another area that's kind of fenced off. I got ladder ball in here and a couple picnic tables. They're nice. Here's the jumping pad. No heartburn or back problems, I'm out. It's not running right now because it's been raining all day. And then here is their bark park. You can bring your dog over here and let your dog run in the pet playground. There's the pet playground. There's Camp K9 Petticoat rules. So as the name of this place indicates, it's right off of 95. About 10 miles north of Emporia. Easy to get to, and you can see there's a big sign out here. We'll take a look at that. Can't miss that sign. Then when you come in, you just pull up. You can see that Airstream is right in front, checking in. So relatively easy and very friendly staff. There you see, you know, Marie and I always seem to find cemeteries. Here's a small private cemetery. There's no trespassing, but it's right next to the campground. Right across from the registration. Well, Marie, we want to talk about our trip to Myrtle Beach, but where was our first stop?
The KOA in Emporia, Virginia?
Emporia. Yeah, the Emporia I-95. Real convenient, right off of I-95 in Virginia. So about halfway to Myrtle. We had a pull-through site.
Very convenient.
Full hookup. Who were we with?
The Hoffmans.
So Hoffmans were with us. Normally when we do these trips, it's the Hoffmans, the Hams, and ourselves. The Hams could not make it, so my brother, our Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs Southern correspondent, was going to trailer his new camper from Florida up to Myrtle Beach and spend the week with us.
Yeah. Sorry that you missed we were hiring.
The global organization is expanding. A lot of nepotism, hiring family members. They work a lot cheaper than anybody else. But back to the Emporia I-95 KOA. Really nice amenities. What was your favorite?
The pool and the pavilion area was very nice.
Yeah, it was well maintained and they had seating in that area. It was close to the store. So that worked out well. Of course, the store has all the things that you might forget and then additional items for purchase. And we went out to eat because we didn't feel like cooking. And there's a ton of restaurants within 15 minutes of the KOA. So what'd you think of our meal at the restaurant that we chose?
The food was very good and the service was great.
Yeah, and there's lots of options. You can go for barbecue, you can go for Americana stuff, Mexican, Italian, it's all around there. So we like that. Again, they had a really nice laundry room. The KOAs, their laundry rooms are usually really great. And they had the normal game room stuff and the jumping pad, and what else did they have?
The dog park was well maintained. It was very nice.
Yeah, so we would definitely recommend this as a potential stopover if you're traveling south down 95. A lot of times you go down 81, but on this trip we went down 95. So that's why we stopped here. So look, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Also, ring that bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video, and give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.